Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Gemma 4 locally in Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, etc. So let's open their terminal. So first, going to increase the size. So here, if I write this place Ollama version. So you can see Ollama that already installed. So in your system, Ollama 20 and higher version must be installed. After that, let's write their command Ollama run Gemma 4. So this command you need to use Ollama run Gemma 4. So with the help of Ollama, that going to install Gemma 4 inside your Linux machine. So let's press enter. So here pulling manifest. Now this to show here 9.6 GB is the total size. Okay, so this is now currently downloading with this speed. So this will take some time to complete this download. See this all done here. Download and install. Total size 9.6 GB. Here this all success. After that, let's write there hi. This all returning thinking and this all message that's returning there. Let's use their control C. Then here asking the next question, what exactly what exactly Gemma for? So this is now returning this. Identify the core question the user is asking what exactly. Okay, so this is how we can do here installation of Gemma 4 on the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.